In this guide, I'll show you how to use Fortnite voice chat on Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you want to do is press the plus button on your Joy-Con, and then we're going to scroll over and scroll down and select settings. Now from here, use the right trigger to scroll over to audio, and once you're at volume, scroll over and you want to ensure voice chat volume is turned up. Then go ahead and scroll down, and for voice chat, make sure this isn't on off. You can either go with friends only, friends and teammates, or everybody. I'm going to leave it on everybody, and for voice reporting, you can either leave this on or off. Voice chat method, make sure this isn't on mute. Rather, make sure this is on push to talk or open mic. Me personally, I recommend you just leave it on open mic so everyone can hear you all the time. Now, when it comes to voice chat notifications, I recommend you leave this turned on as well. And then you want to have a look at your headset. So with the headphone jack, what you want to do is take it and plug it into the top of your Switch. It should go in nicely there. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and have a look at your headset because you want to ensure that your mic isn't muted. And you also want to ensure that the volume is turned up on it. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead and enter a game, and you'll know it's worked if you take a look in the top left corner, and when you talk into the microphone, it reacts with that icon on the screen. This video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.